Hello children, welcome to EDUHUNT classes where you can excel your academics. In the previous video, we used the term polymer. So in this clip, you are going to learn what is polymer, what is the definition and for the clear understanding. Okay. So if you watch the previous video, I mentioned over there about natural fibers and synthetic fibers from the lesson, synthetic fibers and plastics. There we discussed what are natural fibers, what are synthetic fibers, and also previously what is a fiber actually and what are fabrics. Okay, right? So in synthetic fibers point, I mentioned a word where a statement represents like this, where it goes, synthetic fibers are polymers. There I mentioned polymers are something, the definition and everything you'll watch in the next video, right? So here is a video clip you can watch and you can clarify what is about the polymerization, what is a polymer also. Okay, children? So here's a picture for you representing polymerization. Clear? Here if you see, there are some green color monomers, which means each represent a monomer. Okay? And if you see this particular picture, this represents a polymer, which means all the particular green color units are, green color monomers are united with a linkage. Did you observe any linkage between them? Yes. So here, so on. We can write here and here also. Okay. The monomers are joined together to get a polymer. Okay. Now, what is meant by polymer and all? We'll see the definition and a clear understanding. Okay, children? Yes. So, write the definition of the polymer. Yes. What is mean by polymer and what is mean by polymerization? Clear? Yes. Okay. So, what is mean by polymer? You know, polymer is a word P-O-L-Y-M-E-R. So, polymer is containing two Greek words. How many children? Two Greek words. Namely, first one is poly. Poly means many, right? Poly means many. Very good. Poly means many. More than two, we can say. Yeah. Poly means many. Then what about mer? M-E-R, mer. Mer means, in Greek, they call it as unit or else part. Okay. So, mer means unit or a part where we join the word poly, which means many units or else many parts. Okay. Got it, children? So, here we divided the word polymer into two. First one is about poly and the other one will be mer. Okay. So, here divided. Poly means many, mer means unit, or we can also say it as a part. So, combinedly, these two Greek words, yeah, it contains two Greek words. So, which means polymer means many parts or many units, we can say. Clear, children? So, now write the definition of a polymer. What is mean by polymer? From this particular picture, I said the where monomers are combined to form a linkage and we'll get a representation of a polymer. Okay, what is polymer? Poly means many, mer means units. What are the units? From these only, monomer units. Mono means one, mer means unit. So, one units of particular monomers, if they join together, then it will represent a polymer. Right, children? So, here write definition of a polymer, where polymer says about is, it is the, okay, the polymer, we can write like this, the polymer is the large molecule, a polymer is the large molecule, okay, formed by the combining of many small molecules. Many small molecules. Now, did you get the point? What is meant by polymer here, children? Yes. Polymer is the large molecule. It is formed. How it is formed? It is formed by the combining of many small molecules. If you combine, if you link many small monomers together, you'll get a polymer. For example, you know white beads. Okay. Your mummy will wear some white beads, no, in the neck. Okay. Those are joined with one by one, just string. Yes? Yes or no? So, like that, if you observe one on one, like if you see, observe clearly, closely, you can see beads are separately there. But in a particular string, a thread, all them are joined together to form a polymer. Yes, that will be the example of a polymer. Okay. So when the monomers are united to get a large molecule, we say it as a polymer, children. Okay. So here the definition goes like this. The polymer is the large molecule formed by the combining of many small molecules is called the polymer. So what a definition now we are writing about? We just wrote the definition regarding polymer. Yes. Then what is mean by polymerization? The actual word is polymerization, right? What is mean by polymerization? Here, polymerization. I'll write it here for you, children. Okay. Definition of a polymerization. What is mean by polymerization? Polymerization. Here I'll write. Okay. Definition of a polymerization. What is a polymerization? Did you understand? Monomer into polymer, right? How they both are linked? Yes. Monomers are linked together to get a polymer. They group together. Yes, that is named polymerization. The process is named as polymerization. Simple. Okay. Definition. It is the linkage of monomers to form polymers. Okay. So what is the definition of polymerization? It is the linking between, yes, the monomers are linked together to get a polymer. We can write like this also. It is a linkage, okay, of monomers together all together to get a polymer. Fine, children, this is all about polymerization. And further, polymerization is also divided into two categories: addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, but not required for you, your standard. Okay, you'll learn all these in your future further classes. Okay, this is all about polymer. And what is polymer now? Clearly, did you understand, children? Yes, when the monomer means single units are merged together with a link or grouped, combined together to form a polymer. That is meant by the word polymer. And here the main topic is about synthetic fibers, right? Synthetic fibers are polymers. Did you understand the word polymer now? Yes, it is the combining of many small molecules. Which are molecules here? Yeah, monomers are small molecules, right? We can write here also, okay? What is mean monomer? Mono means, yeah, mono means one, mer means unit. When one unit, group of such one units are grouped together to form a polymer. That is mean by the process is called as polymerization. Clear, children? Clear with that now? Definition of polymer and also polymerization for you. This is all about the polymerization from the synthetic fibers topic. Okay, thank you.